My name is Cara Groom-Brine, and I'm a consulting population biologist with the Population Management Center. Right now, I'm going to give a short outline of how to send or receive PopLink Studbooks. This is a frequently asked question of the PMC, so hopefully this tutorial will make the process clearer and easier for our ACA Studbook keepers and SSP coordinators. First, I'd like you to direct you to the following web pages, which contain several helpful documents for coordinators and Studbook keepers, including one on this current topic of sending and receiving Studbooks. So in this tutorial, I'm going to follow the instructions in the above document, and we'll practice sending and receiving a Studbook. And then I'll also outline an alternate method to send and receive a PopLink Studbook. So let's go to the AZA website, and I'll show you where you can find that document. You go to aza.org/population-management-center/ and then if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, there are a number of documents that are helpful that you should check out. This one today, sending and receiving Studbooks from PopLink for PMC planning, we're going to be following today. So this document outlines how to send and receive from different versions of PopLink. You can scroll down the document and you can see that there we cover 2.2, 2.1, etc. I have PopLink 2.4 on my computer, so that's what I'll be using today. If you have a different version, you should refer to this document. So first thing we need to do before emailing the Studbook to a recipient is to create a backup database. You go to File, select Backup Database. It'll ask you, are you sure? You want to back it up to your desktop, select Yes, and the backup was successful. Click OK. So I'm going to minimize PopLink and show you that here is the backup database that was created, the name of our Studbook followed by the current date. This is the folder that you would email, your database folder. Before you email it, though, you need to compress it or zip it. You do this by right-clicking and then Send to Compressed or Zipped Folder, which creates another folder that is a zip folder. You right-click on this compressed folder and go to Send to Mail Recipient. It'll open up your email, and you can send it to whoever you wish, PMC. I do encourage you, if you do email this to the PMC, to follow up this email with another email just to make sure that we get it. So now I'm going to show you how to use a Studbook that was emailed to you, or how to receive a Studbook. So I emailed myself a Studbook earlier. So it's a zipped folder, like we sent to the PMC. So what we do is we copy this and paste it somewhere that you can find it easily. I'm going to paste it to my desktop. So it's unusable in a zipped form, so we first need to unzip the folder. Right-click and extract all. You just follow the wizard's instructions, and it should open an unzipped version of the Studbook. So this database folder, PopLink can't use it from the desktop, so we need to save our database folder in the specific location that PopLink uses. For PopLink 2.4, it's the following pathway. You go to My Documents, PopLink, PopLink Databases, and this is the location. So you can copy and paste Studbook in here, and then you can open your PopLink. And since the folder has been copied and pasted into that folder, databases folder, you can just select Open an Existing Database. And there it is, example X. Let's just look in one of these databases folders, this example X folder. So you can see in this folder there's a data.bin file. Often, if the Studbook has been used or different analyses have been done on it, there could be more files in this folder. However, the data.bin file is essentially your Studbook file, and this file is really all you need to send or receive to use that Studbook. So instead, if you wanted to send a Studbook without sending the full zipped folder, you can just open that folder up, select your data.bin file, right-click on there, and you can just send that to a mail recipient. Sometimes this is a good way to do it if you're for some reason your email won't let you send or receive a zipped folder. Then also, if you happen to receive a Studbook this way, so you're just receiving an email with a data.bin file attached, what you have to do is go to your databases folder, which is that folder that PopLink stores all its databases. For PopLink 2.4, that's under My Documents, PopLink, and PopLink Databases. And then to use that data.bin file that was sent to you, you need to create a folder. So right-click on the background of the window, select a New and Folder, and then you can just give it a name. And then you would copy and paste that data.bin file inside here. And then it's usable in that form. So that is basically the topic. If you do have questions on this topic, on receiving or sending PopLink Studbooks, please contact the PNC.